Hello, hello, beautiful people in the world and universe! So ngayon, meron tayong food from Greenwich naman tayo ngayon. And yung pinili ko pala overload pizza for one person. So ngayon, ang challenge ko ay kailangan na maubos ko to within 3 minutes. So let's start. So wait lang, lagyan muna natin ng hot sauce. Hot sauce. Lagyan natin. Ayan. And so we have here water. Nakalagay sa aking favorite cup. Ready na tayo ngayon. Let's eat! Start natin ang ating timer. And there, start. Yan, what's the minute? Overload pizza. Overload pizza sa Harap. Pinapos. Smooth. May tira pa ko dito konti. Almost finished ko yung aking food. Patubusin ko na lang ito. Sabihin first. Cheers. Hot. One last bite. Sarap. So, ayan, finish ko na lahat ang aking food. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye!